Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my voice, I am a little sick, but I feel fine. Just, I don't know, I lost my voice or something, so, but I wanted to get this done because I've had this for a few days. I received these goodies here from Born Pretty. They asked if I'd like to try some more of their products, so of course I said yes because I've already tried 2 of their gel polish sets and I absolutely love their products. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. The first one we have here looks like a gel polish. Oh, that's wrapped good. It's wrapped once and then twice, so that's very good. And this is BP 146. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Look at that. It looks like maybe the base is a light purple, maybe a purple, and it's got all these different color glitters. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. So yeah, of course I will go and swatch these, but I like that you can see there's a little window there, so that's cool. I'm excited about this. I've never tried their, this is a Rhinestone Glue. It's a 10 gram, so it's a UV LED. You have to cure it. And then, so it comes with this little nozzle here, and I'm just gonna have to see what this, oh, this might be the, oh yeah, I like the cap to go on it. See, I like the way everything's packaged nice. Look, it even has a stopper on here, so nothing leaks out. I absolutely love that. So I think we put this maybe like that. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe like that. Yeah, that way it kind of seals it. That's cool. Is shiny glitter painting gel. Ooh, that is pretty. Oopsie, that's why I wanted to wear gloves, because I'm kind of messy. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. It's got different colors in there, too. Oh, that's pretty. I can't wait to swatch that. This is a 9D cat magnetic gel. Yeah, I haven't tried their cat eyes, so I'm super excited. Oh yeah, I forgot it was over here. They also gave me a magnet too. And this is CM03. Let's see what color. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. It is the Sea Blue Cat Magnetic Gel. Excited for that. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's gorgeous. Alright, so I already applied my base coat to the swatch sticks. And the first one we're going to do is that beautiful glitter BP 146. Oh, it's like a purple base, and then it's got all these, oh my gosh, these colorful glitters. Look at that. Ooh, that's gorgeous. All right, so now we're gonna do the cat eye here. I don't have a lot of cat eye gel, so I'm glad I can start adding some more to my collection. This is gorgeous. I'm actually gonna do 2 coats though, so. I'm gonna do a second coat on the this glitter one here. Oh my god, this is just gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna do another coat. there we go. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at that, how pretty. All right, so now we're gonna look at the sea blue. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do a second coat of this, and then we'll go ahead and use the magnet. Look at that, how pretty. Yeah, I still gotta mess around, and still new to these magnets, but look how cool. Oh, I love it. All right, so I went ahead and top coated these already. But I wanted to see what this this cat eye looked like on top of the black polish. Oh, look at that, so pretty. It's like looks like kind of like champagne to me, champagne color. Oh, it's so pretty. And so I'm just gonna go around and use that magnet there. Oh, it's so cool, I love it. Look at that, so pretty. All right, so I already cured that, and then now we're gonna go in and use that rhinestone glue, and I like it. It's a good consistency. It's not thin and it's not super thick, it's just like in between. But the rhinestone was pretty much staying in place. It wasn't, you know, sliding everywhere. So that's what I was doing. I was kind of holding it upside down, and it was like sealed all the way around, and that tip is just amazing. You can, you know, pretty much control how much, you know, product you're putting out. So yeah, I really enjoyed working with it. And so look here, I'm putting some little rhinestones in between those two, and look at that little nozzle. With my other one, it was, the tip of it's big, so it's like I'd get way too much product and, you know, kind of waste it. So this one, you can just squeeze a little bit, however much you need, into that area. So yeah, this tip is just a total game changer. Just absolutely love this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave everything linked down below, so you can go ahead and purchase that. It's just, oh, Born Pretty is just, their products are incredible. Sorry, some of it was out of focus. But yeah, like I said, that little tip just gets in those tiny little spaces, and then you can also go in after and seal all around and not have a big mess, just have enough with that little tip. So yeah, there we go. It's just, look at that, just amazing. I'm gonna show kind of up close and how there was no openings, no gaps, just everything was sealed in. It was amazing. Trying to see the bigger little glitters in there, but I like it. It's not real chunky. It's super pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's super pretty. All right, so these are all the wonderful products here. Thank you again, Born Pretty. I absolutely loved everything, and I love your products. These polishes are just gorgeous. The cat eyes. This rhinestone glue is just amazing. This tip is a game changer, like that it can get in those small little spaces. It's just incredible. So it's not a lot of wasting, you know, product applying too much. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you, Born Pretty. Absolutely love everything. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.